Well, I got something interesting here to share with you all, so I'm going to go into this office here. I got my John Cooper Works pocket knife, and there is a box here. There's something in there that we've been waiting for. Well, I guess I could show you. These are the brochures. So, my JCW knife. Open. There we go. There we go. Ooh. So, not a clue what this is. Looks like packaging material. But here's the electric mini brochure. And here's the GP brochure. Oh yeah. Now what puzzles me is they're calling it the 2020, even though it's supposed to be coming out as a 2021 model. So I'm not sure what's going on there. But, pretty cool. So, let's open these up and see what's in them. Okay, so let's go through the brochure for the 2020 John Cooper Works GP. Now, what's funny is the US market, I was told, is supposed to be a 2021 model, so I'm not sure what's going on there, but maybe they decided to release it early. So inside, nice pictures. This is phenomenal. Pretty cool. So it is going to have a different engine shroud with the GP on it instead of John Cooper Works or Mini. I like that. 302 horsepower, so it's 1 horsepower more than the 301 horsepower JCW Clubman and Countryman. Now what's funny is the predecessor here, the GP2, 8 minutes and 23 seconds, there is nothing in here that mentions the track time for the GP3. So here are the specs on the back, as you can see. 4-cylinder twin power turbo, 302 horsepower, 331 foot-pounds of torque, top speed 165 miles per hour, 2 adults, and of course cargo space, dimensions, and the exterior color is called Racing Gray Metallic. That's pretty cool. But nice brochure, actually. This is very much indicative of the early mini brochures, the stuff that you would find back in the day when Mini was all about the aggressive, fun, quirky stuff. And then you kind of go over to the electric mini brochure and it's back to the same stuff we're used to with the white and black, very basic look. So let's get into this brochure. So here's the electric mini brochure. I find it funny they called this the first all-electric Mini when Mini had an electric Mini back in 2009, so figure that one out. But another nice trifold brochure, nice pictures, the details are really nice. It's going to be a pretty car. Very nice. I'm not sure why they have the hood scoop on this car when it's a electric motor. I don't think the scoop is necessary. They could have done the Cooper hood on this. I don't know. Pretty nice. Those wheels are going to be very interesting. I would love to see how they work and what they look like when the car actually comes out. And this is supposed to be the new single-speed shifter for this car. So that's going to be interesting. It's going to be interesting to drive it. So here are the specs. Electric motor, single speed automatic, 181 horsepower, 199 foot-pounds of torque, 0 to 62, 7.3 seconds, braking, 2-stage regenerative braking, 32.6 kilowatt hour gross battery capacity, charging capacity is 7.4 kilowatts, up to 50 kilowatts DC. Interesting. 4 adults, and the standard specs for the car. Same size Mini as always. Colors available are white, silver, moonwalk gray, midnight black, chili red, British racing green, and Mini Yours enigmatic black metallic. Okay. So what's funny here is this brochure is indicative of the current Mini aesthetic, and this one is more indicative of the past Mini aesthetic. I like this look better. I think Mini needs to keep going with this darker look that drew people in, the black and the red and the white, and it just looks so much better. So it's kind of funny when you get to see these side by side, even though they're kind of the same style brochure essentially. But that's pretty cool. So effectively what Mini is doing here by releasing these two cars, they released two cars that are complete opposite ends of the spectrum in terms of driving dynamics and performance. You have one that's all electric, that's all about electric efficiency and all that stuff, and you have one that's all about high performance, gas engine, racing around the track. So it's complete opposite ends of the spectrum when it comes to these two cars. It's almost the light side and the dark side. It's almost you could almost say it's a Star Wars thing, the light side, dark side kind of back and forth thing. So it's really interesting. There's like two sides to the Mini. There's a good and an evil, or it's going to be funny. It's going to be interesting to see these two cars together. And I know there's going to be at least two or three of the GP3s are coming to this dealership, and I know at least 2 electric Minis will be coming to this dealership as well. So I'm looking forward to actually getting a chance to drive at least the electric car, and I think I might actually have a chance to drive the GP3 when it comes here, so that should be exciting. I'm looking forward to that. But yeah, that was an unboxing video on the Mini brochures for the 2020 models. So I hope you enjoyed this video. It's kind of a short one, but if you did like this video, if you got a kick out of it, leave a like below. Don't forget to comment. If you haven't already done so, subscribe to the channel. I upload videos every Monday and Friday at 2 p.m. At least I'm doing that currently. I might switch back to 1 video a week, so we'll see what happens there. But anyway, until next time, I'm just going to remind you all that life is too short to drive a boring car. So as always, drive a Mini. I will catch you all later. So which one do I want? I think this one.